Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear Google search history on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Google Chrome and you need to search here anything. And if you want to delete a specific, you simply hold that and click on delete. So you can see that now that history is deleted. But if you want to delete entire history, simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on search history, and here you can find all your search history, and here you can see that. And if you want to delete, click on that delete, and you can select delete all time if you want, and then you need to click on next, and then you need to click on next again, and then you need to click on got it. So you can see that my search history got deleted. So this is a process by which you can clear search history on Android. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.